Okay, so this is a tutorial for uh, RPG Maker MV Mox Chrono engine for the ABS mode action battle system. So this is the website, and you download it here. And then once you download that, you want to go to your file, JS plugins, and move Mox Chrono plugins in there. And you can find that wherever you downloaded it, the master MV, and then just go to the plugins here and copy the ones here into your file. Then once you do that, you want to go to the puzzle icon and add them in here, and you already say I have already here the Chrono engine. And then you want to go to battle mode and set it to 1 for ABS mode. And then you want to set your tool map, and this would be where are your attacks go. So I set mine to number 2, and my tool map is right here, number 2, and it's right here. So yeah, that's where it goes. And then and there's one thing about this engine. Actually, I figured out that it crashes if you have too many events in this page here. In your tool map, if you have too much events, this plugin will crash. So if you're making a big game or just a little game, it won't matter. But if you're making a bigger game, then it will matter. So what you want to do to fix that actually is you go to your event, and you can see how you can add up to 20 pages. So each event you would have to pit for your attack, you would have to make the attack in the same event for each one to save up room, because what happens is it's too much on the screen here and it freezes. But if you pit them all into one event, it actually stops it from freezing, and you have 20 events in one event, basically like 20 attacks in one event. So you'll save a lot of you'll save it from crashing. So, and then you'll need to switch variables to on each one to activate different ones. You'll need to switch variables to activate the different ones. So that's that. And then for your image, you'll need to set your image, and then you'll set it to custom route, 1 step forward. Make sure you put these on, and then you'll set the speed, parallel, and above characters, and I think these two, yeah, walking and stepping and through. If you want the thing to go through walls or vents, then you put through on, and it'll go through it. But if you don't, it'll stop like that. If it's a bullet like this, like mine, it'll stop like that. So yeah, and then you'll need to set the tool skill. This one, tool comment tool underscore skill underscore D, and make sure that that is correct. The way, because in coding, everything has to be pretty precise, or else it won't work. So tool skill ID 1, and then you go to tool skill ID 1, and you set it to enemy scope 1, and this will be your tool skill ID 1. This is tool ID skill 2, you see, and tool ID skill 1. Then you set the scope to that, and if you want the attack to never miss, then put it to 100. If you do want it to have like some kind of miss, then you would have to set that to mess with that right here. And then HP damage, you want to put HP damage on, set your HP damage, and set critical yes, and critical no, the variance of the critical here. Then that's for the damage, and then you go to the tool duration. This is how much frames it lasts. It lasts 300 frames, and this is how big it will be. So in RPG Maker, you each have these blocks here, and the range you get more blocks. So yeah. So tool position user. This I'm actually forgot what this does, but I believe there's a Mog's Chrono engine documentation that tells you what they all do. I'll try to put that in the description. And then you have this one, tool area line. So this means the projectile will be like a line like that, like this. And then you can switch it to like square, and then like cross. I forgot all of them because it's been a while. But if you go to this one, I think I changed it. Some of these are different. Yeah, see, tool area square. This one's bigger. The range is bigger. Anyways, once you do that, you might want to actually install Yenfly's button command as well. Yeah, because you're gonna need that for this one. If you're making ABS, you'll need Yenfly's button commands, and then you set Yenfly's button commands to whatever you want. Pretty sure you go like key 1 or like key A, and then it'll be like this is the common event, so this is the event it was gonna call. I was gonna call these. So as you can see, I have all of them in here. Revolvers. And then yeah. So now when I go to the game and I press it, you can see it works. And then I can actually hit these guys. So yeah, that works. And then you set your so that's how you set up the tool map. And that's all basically I want to tell you for this video, is just how to set up the tool map. And if you like the video, then like it, subscribe, and if you want me to make more, then I'll make more on it. If the video gets probably a lot of views and stuff, I'll probably make like how to set up the enemies, and how to make level up your attacks here, and how to get experience and stuff too. So that's all for this video. That's all for this video for now, and yeah.